Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Ford Focus CL hatch, stock reference number 5202. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 4th month 2009. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate has 1 small dent, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, front only type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.